It's Pete from Cheap Homesteading, and today we're in the farm store, and I just wanted to make a quick video to tell you guys kind of what my plans are for the next little bit. If you looked in the last little while, I've done some emergency preparedness videos in the last couple months anyways, about food shortages and what you're going to do so you store a bit of food. I've worked on my generator, got a dual fuel, so it'll run on two types of fuel, so if the power goes out, we're covered there. But it seems like there's a real theme about the way the weather is going, and I've seen through the US and Canada, we've had some really bad storms, and it seems like there is a lot of talk about they're only going to get worse. So if you believe that is kind of an overarching theme about the direction of weather is going, or if you kind of think people are pushing it that way, whatever you believe, I'm pretty sure we're going to have some bad weather coming. And it's probably going to get worse, because no matter how we do this, it just seems like it is kind of getting worse. So I really do think it's important to try to look into how prepared you are in case of a fairly substantial emergency. So, I've done all the things that I can do, but I feel like there's a lot of stuff that I was just forgetting. So we went out, and my daughter got me the SAS Survival Guide Manual for Christmas. So this book is probably one of the best sellers, and it has a really in-depth way of looking at survival. And I kind of like that, because it is kind of a daunting task, because even a very simple survival kit needs a lot of things that you may not have thought of. So in the next little while through the videos, I'm going to try to work through the book a bit, set up some emergency kits, some medical kits, a bag of stuff that you can use if there is a real substantial emergency. Because you might not be able to stay here, or you can stay here, but nevertheless, the stuff that's in that is really going to help you in survival. And not only just taking the time to put the kits together and put them in a bag, it's really important to be able to use the stuff in it, like be able to start fire multiple different ways, being able to fish from the kit that you have, being able to do small medical procedures. All this stuff is super important to make sure that you're able to use it when you have to use it, because just putting the stuff together and hoping that you can use it is probably not a good way of actually doing it. So I'm hoping throughout this year maybe that I can kind of make videos along the way, and not only put stuff together out of the book, but actually use the stuff that is in the book. So throughout the next year, I'm hoping to make videos and kind of work through the book and get things set up so I'm able to have the stuff I need, and I'm able to use it and use it proficiently. So I'm going to try to stay motivated and work through the whole book and get that done. I wanted to give you guys a little bit of a heads up of what I'm doing, and so you're going to see some emergency preparedness videos in the future, and you guys have a good one.